everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem minimum element in BST. BST stands for binary search tree. So basically there is a rule in BST that this is the root, this is the left side and this is the right side, right? So basically the minimum element on the left side, we can say on the left side the elements are smaller than the root. Okay, so over here the elements are smaller than the root, and on the right side the elements are greater than the root. So basically if I'm trying to search the minimum value in BST, I need to check only the left side, because the minimum value would lie on the left side, and if it is not on the left side, that means the minimum element value is the root. Okay, we don't even need to go to the right side, okay, because on the right side there is no minimum value. The minimum value would be greater than the root value. Okay, so basic concept is, first we need to check the left side. If on the left side there is no minimum value, then the root element is the minimum value, and we don't need to check the right side. Okay, now if there is no root element, that means there is no tree. Okay, that's also a point. Now I hope the question and the concept is clear to you. Now let's move forward. First you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic, then find the problem minimum element in BST. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Okay, here is the question, let's read it. Given a binary search tree, the task is to find the minimum element in the BST, given BST. So now we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's start. 1 minute. So let's start by checking if a root element is present or not, right? That's the first step. If root is none, that means there is no root, right? That means you can directly return with -1. Okay, enter backspace. Okay, if root dot left, okay, now I am checking the left side, colon, enter, and in the left side I need to check for the minimum value. So min value, okay, min value, brackets, root dot left. Okay, enter. Now if this is not true, that means else. I just need to return with the value of root, right? So return root dot data. Now I need to check if it is correct approach or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully. Let me check. Okay, so the problem compilation stage 1 is passed successfully. Now I would submit the problem to properly check it. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem, search an element, basically minimum element in BST, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.